Welcome. In this video, we'll quickly walk you through how to show personalized ads on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the desktop app. Whether you're looking to get more relevant content or simply update your privacy preferences, this guide will make it simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once the app is open, let your eyes move to the main menu on the left side of your screen. Next, click on the option that says More. This will bring up a list of additional settings and tools that many people overlook. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. It's the section where you can manage everything about your account, security, and overall experience on X. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll see several categories. Click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your data is used and what type of content or ads you might see. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, find and click on Ads Preferences. Now you'll see the option called Personalized Ads. It's the main setting that determines whether X can show ads based on your interests, behavior, and activity. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to Personalized Ads. When it's turned on, X will deliver ads that are more relevant to your interactions on the platform. That's all there is to it. You've just updated your ad settings to allow more personalized advertising on your X account. This can help fine-tune your experience, giving you ads that actually align with your interests and online activity. If you prefer a more private experience, you can always come back to the same menu and uncheck the option at any time. It's totally up to you. Thanks for watching.